Why are businesses in 2025 still struggling to generate value from their AI and data initiatives? It is very simple because there's a lack of alignment between data and AI initiatives with the business goals of the organization. And how can we solve this problem? The simple way to solve this challenge that most businesses are facing is to make sure that data and AI are included when setting or when formulating a business strategy. The business strategy tells an organization how it wants to achieve its goals and objectives. And in formulating a business strategy, a company has to understand what capabilities it would require in order for it to execute the business strategy so that the goals and the objectives will be achieved. So, part of that capability is your infrastructure, is your data technologies, is your AI technologies as well. So, when you are formulating a strategy and at that stage, when you make a room for where data and AI will play in your business, then the data leader and the entire data organization, the data team, will be able to understand the role that they must play in order to help the organization achieve its goals and objectives. So when you are formulating your business strategy, the organization must ensure that the data leader is on the table when business strategy is being discussed. So that when they understand the capabilities that the business has to build, then the data organization, the data team, and the data leader will be able to prioritize data initiatives that will allow the organization to achieve its goals and objectives. If we don't do this, the data department will be performing certain initiatives that might not lead to the attainment of business goals. But if the data department is aware of the business strategy and the capabilities that must be created or built in order for the business to achieve its goals, then the data department will have the knowledge of what data infrastructure to invest in, of the appropriate ethics and the security and the governance that will guide the data initiatives, and the analytics that must be performed so that the business can achieve its goals and objectives. And the AI that has to be created or borrowed or developed in-house in order for the business to achieve its goals. So ensure that your data and AI teams are right there on the table when the strategy of your organization is being ironed out. When we do this, it will be easier for us to achieve our goals and objectives using data and AI. I'll see you around.